Hello guys, today we are making a bird feeder. So here we have 2 sticks, a marker, a nut and a bolt, a glue for the glue gun, a bottle, a plastic box, a wire and a hole making machine. So first we will take the bottle and the tiffin. So we will unscrew the cap and make a hole in the middle. We will turn this over and make a hole over here. Okay, now we will take this bottle, put it in this and mark this area, and right below that on this curve we will make a small oval shape over here and over here. Now for hanging we will make a small circle over here and on the opposite side. So we have made markings like this. We can erase this after you're done, and now we will put holes in these by this hole making machine. Now I have made holes in these like this according to the markings. Now we will attach the nut and bolt. So take this and put it in from below, and now attach this. Tighten it up. Tighten it like this, and now attach this onto the bottom. Now I will put this string, this wire from here and tie it. And now I have tied it like this. Now we will take the hot glue gun and put this glue in from here, and we will hot glue this screw, this back, and we will also hot glue these sticks over here, so it is a place for the birds to sit. So now we will put the glue over there in the screw. Now we will turn it and put it on the other side. Now I am going to put the stick and glue it on the box. Now I'm going to take the other stick and glue it. Now I've got the final product like this and this. Now I will screw on the bottom and this is our bird feeder. You can put the bird food in here and hang it outside. Bye. Like, subscribe and share.